Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. If we were in some TV show situation, this could be called a filter episode, guys. Sometimes it's necessary that I just put all the pieces down. I just have my settings on the table to understand what to do next. I want you to have a closer look to the situation of the table. We are now working on the first 4 sectors. One of them is for sure the swamp village. We have already finished more or less the settings of the graveyard position, let's call like that. And now we need to connect the ruined walls of the keep to the new walls that I prepared starting from the graveyard. For do that, I need to have all the pieces down in that situation and to understand where I need to go with the walls, guys. Then I will prepare a beautiful connection and I need to modify a little bit, of course, the settings of the keep. That being said, let's have a look together. Now, as you can see, I'm gonna continue the walls on this piece, and then we will reach the corner of the keep right here. Then I will manage to create in this zone a removable part of walls. My technique, it is similar to what I've used already on the White Rock Castle. You can check it out when I build the bridge, basically. Okay? Then you see we have already placed our swamp village. This will be complete. I will have a little cemetery outside here. The mausoleum and the church will be there. And this is the next block we are creating. Now, the major problem is this zone, guys, that is, green and rocky. I will transform it totally in something that is like collapsed with the ruins and stuff. And we will go down in this zone with the rest of the city. This would be a real challenge, okay? Once I've settled the walls and I understood the connection here, I will immediately start to create buildings. The famous ruined buildings, which are indispensable for Mordheim, okay? Yeah, wish me luck. Wait, guys, before leave, an important message. If you like my work, if you like these videos, if you are watching these videos and you want to see more, please consider to support me on Patreon. Patreon is the best way to support my channel, and also you will get instant access to a lot of material, included my fantasy modeling course that is fully online right now. A big shout out to all my Patreon supporters. You are the reason why I'm doing this, you are my best inspiration, and your support is the reason why I can keep going, I can keep improve and do better and better with you in this beautiful community. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crafting!